up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to City Builds. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss out on anything. Our new build is here. It's looking absolutely amazing. So let me show you guys what we got. Guys, we got a 2016 Jaguar F-Type R. This is a 5.0 supercharged. I believe it makes 550 horsepower. This thing is just a monster. It's super sick. Has some front end damage. I mean, more like front side. Nothing bad. I got a little strap on this bumper part so it doesn't hang, but obviously we need a new bumper, need a new fender, whatever this is. Looks like a fender. Need a new door. I actually didn't see this damage on the door in the pictures. I think there was like a little dent over here, but as they opened the door in and out at the auction, it got more damaged over here. And the hood has a little bit of damage right here, but we can fix that. That's not a big deal. This side is actually all good. There's no damage on this side at all. The bumper's just hanging here. I think the headlight actually has a broken tab here, but that's not a big deal as well. And there is a couple intercoolers or radiators that are broken here. Might just be some tabs, but these are broken. And there was a coolant leak, so either a radiator or a hose somewhere is broken in there. But man, this thing is super sick. It's so nice. It's a convertible. It's an all-wheel drive. This thing is just a monster. Check out these door handles. Almost like a GTR. But we can't open that all the way because of that. Let's see the back. Quad exhaust, check that out. This thing probably has the nicest sounding exhaust. Like, it sounds so good stock. I'll turn it on in a second, but look at this side. It looks so good. This thing's amazing. Only 18,000 miles. It's a 2016. Fairly new. Super dirty. It came from Chicago. We're here in Sacramento, California, but there was some snow and whatnot, so it got super dirty on the way here. But I'll take it outside right now, give it a good wash, and show you guys a little more. Honestly, guys, this thing just sounds insane. I'm not sure how well you could hear it on camera, but it's so loud. It is crazy loud. It sounds so good though. And it's 100% stock. There's no aftermarket exhaust. There's no modifications there. It's all stock and it sounds amazing. There actually is an option to make it quieter, which is super sick. Let me show you guys. Right here. Start it up. Woo. Oh my goodness, that sounds so good. So check this out. Has a muffler button right there. You press it and it automatically turns super quiet. Still backfires a little, which is kind of cool. And then right here, check that out. That is crazy. You like that, buddy? I think he's getting scared. I think someone's shooting at us. Woo! That's crazy. It sounds insane. This interior is honestly super sick. Like, everything is nice and clean. Check out how the AC opens. If I can get this to turn on. Look at that. I've never seen that before. That's so cool. Carbon fiber right here. Check out these door panels. This thing's a lot cleaner than the GTR, and I honestly am starting to like it more. I haven't taken it for a test drive yet, but it feels really nice. Like the steering wheel, everything feels so nice. And it's a convertible. I'm honestly not sure how to work that. I think it's this button right here. Or not. Oh, something's happening. Check that out. That's sweet. Let's see how it looks from the outside. Should probably turn it off. There's no coolant in there. This thing looks nice. Look how nicely it tucks in there. Has little plastics here to cover it up. That looks clean. All right, guys, I'm actually not gonna wash it today. It's getting dark already. Hate winter for that reason. It gets dark at like 5 p.m., but I'll show you guys a little more. Has a broken mirror right here. It's either broken or someone just stole it. And these are actually pretty expensive. So we're gonna have to buy a new one of those. We have an airbag that got deployed. We're gonna have to replace that. I don't even know how to work these. Oh, that's sick. They open for you. GTR doesn't do that. One of the seat belts is deployed, so we're gonna have to replace that. Well, get it fixed, not replaced. But that one is good. And the dashboard airbag is not deployed, which is really nice because I don't like taking those apart. And this one, I think you'd have to change the whole dashboard, which would suck. But everything else is looking nice. Rear end, there's no damage at all. Man, these taillights look sick. Well, can't see them anymore, but it looks really clean overall. These side skirts look sick, like they stick out a good amount. And the damage is not bad at all. I don't think there's any suspension damage, even though in the pictures it did look like there was a little bit on that wheel over there. But we'll still have to see and go do alignment and whatnot. But overall, it's not bad at all. Like, I thought we'd have to replace the hood, and the hood is like $4,000, a little over $4,000, and we don't. We just fixed this part over here, and the hood is fine. The door is not that expensive, so that's fine. But other than that, it's looking really clean. All right, guys, it is getting dark on us, so we're not gonna do anything else for today, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Next day here, guys, we got the Jaguar outside, so let's go give it a wash. We got her washed and she's looking even more amazing. It's super clean. Check out these wheels. I've actually never seen this. There's carbon fiber on the wheels. Each spoke has some carbon fiber on it. Those are some big brake calipers as well. But the body's super nice. There's no big dents or scratches that I see. It's still drying a little bit, but it's looking pretty good. The back's looking really nice. I actually haven't seen what's inside the trunk. Oh, we got an old headlight. Yeah, this one's broken. Has a hole in it. But almost like new. Got some fender liners and we got a mirror. Why would they take this off? I don't get. Maybe it broke off or something. I'll have to figure that out, but that's cool. This mirror looks like it's in good condition actually. Fender liners are broken. I'm gonna have to order some new ones. And this is from the reinforcement foam to protect the bumper. I have to get a new one of those as well. But it's looking really nice. What I'm actually gonna do now is put it back in the garage, and I want to take off the front bumper and just see what damage we have underneath it. I know some of those radiators are damaged, so I'll just have to take off the bumper and see what we got there. We got it up in the air, and it's actually super cool how the hood opens. It opens the other way, and check out this engine. This thing is huge. It's a big old engine. Honestly, not that much room to work in there if you got one with bad damage in the front. Thankfully, ours is not that bad, and it's mostly all on the bottom over there. So now I'm gonna take off the front bumper and see what we got under there. All right, guys, I got the bumper off, and this thing is just humongous. It takes up like the whole front end of the car. And I got the headlight off as well. And what sucks, there's two broken tabs. There's one over there, and this main one is broken over here as well. I'm not sure if we can get those repaired, if you can buy tabs separately or not, but I'll look into that. If not, we'll have to get this headlight new as well. Other than that, we have this little radiator right here. It has a little bit of damage. Not sure if it leaks or not. I'll have to put in water and see if it's leaking anywhere, but we'll need this plastic part on top of it for sure, because it's supposed to sit like that, and it obviously doesn't. And then under there, this little radiator over here looks fine. The condenser looks fine, but the main radiator is a little bent. I'm not sure if it's leaking, but it is leaking somewhere here. I don't know from where. So I'll just have to put in some water and just see where the leak is coming from. It does have a little dent on the reinforcement right there. It has a little one here too, but here is just more than it's supposed to. But that honestly shouldn't really be doing anything. I don't think there's any frame damage, but we'll still have to measure diagonally, see if there's anything off. This side looks pretty good. This is where the main impact was, and there's nothing that I can see visually that's bent on the frame, or no broken control arms or anything like that. Everything looks pretty good. I'll still take off this fender right here, see what's under that, and make sure there's nothing damaged there. All right, guys, I filled up some water in the radiator, started it, warmed it up a little bit, and this is what we got. So that radiator is bad. It's probably cracked somewhere up there, and it needs to be replaced as well. This one actually is not leaking. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with this one yet. Might replace it just in case. But that main radiator does need to go, which kind of sucks, because now we have to take the whole front end apart basically just to replace it. It's the one all the way behind all these. So we'll do that in the next video, or I'll have to order one, see when that one comes in, and get that done. I started taking off this fender, but we actually need to take off the side skirt to get that fender off, so I'll probably do that later. And the other thing I noticed is that this apron piece is actually sitting higher than that side. So this side got picked up a little bit. I'm guessing the accident, when he hit something, it hit this and it picked it up just a bit. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get this fixed at home. We might have to take it to the frame shop to get it pulled down a little bit and then have the gaps aligned, but I'll still look into that. All right, guys, that will actually be a wrap for today's video. Now I just need to make a parts list, start ordering everything that we need. I'm super excited for this build. It's something different, something I've actually never done before. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.